Hello, everyone. Today, we embark on a fascinating expedition into the captivating realm of television's influence, exploring how this powerful medium reshaped communication and shaped our perceptions. So, join me as we journey through the dynamic landscape that led to the emergence of the paradigm of negotiated media effects, a harmonious blend of the minimal and powerful effects perspectives. The aftermath of World War II and the advent of television in the 1950s and 60s served as a pivotal moment that ignited a renewed interest in understanding media influence. Television arrived with a captivating allure, possessing a magnetism unlike its predecessors. While the belief in the old magic bullet theory warned and presumed impact of television was undeniable, gone were the days of direct, short term, and uniform effects. Instead, a more intricate tapestry of influence emerged. Long term cultivation effects. A revolutionary theory known as cultivation suggested that repeated exposure of television content gradually nudged audience towards adopting the dominant viewpoints presented by the media. Over time, the audience began to align with the perspectives embedded in their favorite shows, thereby cultivating shared beliefs. The spotlight shifted to indirect effects such as associated effects. The subtle influence of branding was a prime example. The repetition of specific imagery, like a muscular man having a healthy shake, could subtly associate the brand with healthiness over time, influencing audience preferences. Acknowledging the diversity of audiences, scholars delved into the personal effects of television. A violent cartoon might evoke different reactions in a child while watching alone versus with family, highlighting the importance of context. Studies underscored the television's content over reinforcing pre existing beliefs rather than instigating drastic change. People selectively processed information, connecting with content that resonated with their worldview. So, television wasn't merely a medium, it was an immersive experience that bound people together. Unlike reading newspapers, television united families and friends in shared viewing experiences. It became a social glue, spawning discussions and interactions around favorite TV shows. The concept of hypermediality emerged as referencing media content became a way to connect with others or set oneself apart from the group. Television became a source of identity. The new colleague who hadn't seen a popular series might feel somewhat excluded from conversations. The shows we watched defined us, granting us entry into a community of like minded viewers or enthusiasts. Moreover, the television was a powerful platform for social learning. From fire safety to courtroom dynamics, our mediated experiences provided insights and ideas that influenced our perception, shaping our understanding even without direct experience. The role of television extended further into the realm of socialization, where informal learning of norms and values occurred. Just as we learned from parents and friends, television played a part in shaping our understanding of the world. The rise of television brought the confluence of various effects to the forefront. It was this very medium that paved the way for the paradigm of negotiated media effects, a balanced approach that recognized both the minimal and powerful perspectives. In this paradigm, media's influence is a dynamic interplay, acknowledging the complexity of human responses and interactions. As we navigate through this paradigm, we grasp the intricate ways in which media weaves itself into our lives, fostering shared beliefs, identities, and values. The journey continues as we delve deeper into the profound impact of media and how it shapes our societal fabric in unexpected ways.